we had a bad storm and the pool got all dirty. It turned green, so I put some chemicals in there and now it's all cloudy. So I'm gonna have to clean the pool filters to get all the chemicals out of there, get all the crud out of the pool filters. To clean the pool filters really good, I'm gonna use this Aqua Comb to get in between each of the slats on the filters. All right, let's go ahead and open up the pool filter and then I'll show you how this thing works. This ratchet's pretty nice because you can just twist it like that and then you don't have to have your hands on here unscrewing it. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get out the wet vac here and just vacuum this stuff out of here. I like to use this CRAFTSMAN 4.25 9-gallon wet vac to clean out my pool filter. First thing you want to do here is release the pressure. Once you get all that pressure out of there, then you can unscrew the clamp that goes around the pool filter there. This ratchet's pretty nice because you can just twist it like that and then you don't have to have your hands on here unscrewing it. And then you can just use the ratchet there and loosen up the clamp on here. Alright, and just be careful taking this off. It's got a lot of fiberglass on it and it'll make you itchy if you're sensitive to that kind of thing. And there's an O-ring right here. Take this thing off and wash it. Alright, there's our clamp for the top. Here's our first filter here. We'll go take it over there and wash it. Alright, we're just going to screw this onto the end of the hose here. Alright, got that on there. Okay, you can just adjust it here by turning on the nozzle. And as what you're doing is you're just going through these combs right here. You're just combing through here and just getting all the, you can see all that crud in there. It's all that dirt and silt and crud from the bottom of the pool. When you put the chemicals in there and it kills all the algae, you get all this little gray crud there. So we're going to go ahead and clean that out of these filters. See all that milky gray water there? That's what we want to get out of there. See all that stuff? That's what's making the pool cloudy. We want to filter all that out of there. It's all that mixture of chemicals and dead algae and stuff. So we just want to go through this filter here and clean them all out like that. I like to put these up on the table here so that it's easier for me to clean them. See how nice and white those filters are now. Then there's all that crud on the ground there, all that cloudy stuff in there, the dead algae and all the chemicals and stuff. Get all that out of those pool filters so that it can start doing its job and clean the pool. So yeah, this Aqua Comb's pretty nice. Gets in there and cleans those filters really good. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get out the wet vac here and just vacuum this stuff out of here. I like to use this CRAFTSMAN 4.25 9-gallon wet vac to clean out my pool filter. This thing's pretty powerful. It does a good job of getting all the water and the crud out of the bottom of the pool filter here. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. Did a great job of cleaning out the pool filter. Got all that crud out of there and the dirty water. It won't go into the holes very well, so you have to put that nozzle on the end so that you can get inside those holes right there. But yeah, I use this thing every time I clean out my pool filter. It's really nice to have one of these. And then to empty it, you just unscrew the plug at the bottom there. And then you can let all the water out. So yeah, that's pretty nice. Here's the float in here. Some of them will have a ball float, but this has this little lid here. Looks like the lid to a spray paint can, and it'll go up and down there. So you want to make sure this is clean, because if you got a bunch of crud in there, it could get stuck, and then it's not going to do as good of a job. So I'm going to spray that out real quick. Yeah, you want that to be nice and clean so it moves in there really good like that and slides in and out. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. This ratchet's pretty nice because you can just twist it like that, and then you don't have to have your hands on here unscrewing it. So yeah, this Aqua Comb's pretty nice. Gets in there and cleans those filters really good.